The Chevrolet Camaro is one of the best known, and loved American sports cars of all time, so it came as quite a shock when Chevrolet announced back in May that production of the vehicle had stopped due to the ongoing global chip shortage. The shortage has affected numerous American manufacturers. The good news is that production of the 2021 car has resumed at GM's Lansing Grand River Assembly plant in Michigan. This comes after the company announced that production of the updated 2022 model would be shifted from June 14 to September 20, most likely due to the same chip shortage. According to sources, production of the Camaro resumed on Monday after 43 days. The Lansing Grand River Assembly plant also manufactures other GM products such as the Cadillac CT5. Cadillac vehicles are only expected to re-enter production on August 9. According to Lansing Grand River spokesperson Aaron Davis, GM is finding creative solutions and making strides to maximize production of high-demand and capacity-constrained vehicles. The stoppage follows a previous cessation of production in March, after which the facility restarted early in May. It was previously expected that production of the Camaro would resume on June 28, but GM managed to shift that date back a week earlier. General Motors has also seen manufacturing hubs in Fairfax Assembly in Kansas, Cami Assembly in Ontario and San Luis Potosí in Mexico being affected by the chip shortage, resulting in a loss of production equal to nearly 300,000 GM vehicles. Chevrolet dealers would not have felt any major side effects from the stoppage, as the Camaro is not a massive seller compared to some of Chevrolet's more popular models. Dealers are more concerned with getting their hands on high-volume vehicles such as the Silverado, which is currently in limited supply, resulting in higher prices for consumers.